YouTube fan, what's good? It's your boy Will, back in the building with another video. Today I just wanted to make a quick video about my top 5 most used items in my kit. Now, these items pretty much range from anywhere between $10 up until $60. I'm going to also mention some alternates that you can use for the higher expensive ones. I'm going to show you these items, and I'm going to also explain to you a little bit of pros and cons to the items depending on what it is. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Alright, so I got my special guest in the building. I felt like it was fitting since I have on my taco shirt today. But this is my leopard gecko right here. I mentioned him in my in my tour video, but he's just gonna be out here. He's gonna chill. He's gonna help me out with the video, right, Taco? My first item is gonna be a cleaning kit for your camera. Hey, where you going? Maybe this is a bad idea because he's moving too much. All right, he's just gonna hang out on my hand. A cleaning kit basically comes with a blower. It also comes with this little pin right here, which has like this little thing right, so you could, clean your lens off. You also have some solution right here. Taco, where you going, bro? Also, you get microfiber cloths. Now, this product basically costs about $10. There is plenty of different sellers on this, but I highly recommend this because it's been so many times where I've been out filming, traveling, and I've had dirt or something in my lens. You pretty much only notice it when you zoom in to like 50 millimeters. If you have a little piece of dust on your lens at 50 millimeters, you'll be able to see it. Pretty self-explanatory. Here's the lens right here. You pretty much take this and you blow the dust all out your lens. You can actually use this to clean your sensor. You can use this to actually clean your computer, your phone. I would use the blower first to see if that can resolve the issue. If not, then step into the pen next. I would try out the pen, see if that gets everything off, and then use the microfiber cloth in case there's any fingerprints or anything like that. So that's number one at $9.99. The next item that comes on my list is going to be a dual charger. I know some camera companies, when you buy the camera, they'll give you one battery and a charger. I'm a Sony user. They give you this plug right here, and then they also give you like a USB to micro USB cable. But what I ended up doing was purchasing this Numo, I believe is what it's called. It actually comes with 2 batteries at the price of $21.99. Now, these are Sony NPF batteries, so it works for my camera. But I looked on Amazon.com and they have plenty for other types of cameras. So Canon, Nikon, Fujifilm. They don't work as great as the original batteries, but for an alternate for $20, I think that's even worth coming with just the dual power charger by itself. When it's dead and you're charging it, it's red and then it turns green once it's fully charged. So extra batteries, that's going to be my second recommendation. Moving right along, I actually just purchased this right here. It is a electronic charging organizer, and what's dope about this bag is it comes with this Velcro strap right here, like so. You pretty much could customize it any way you want. It also has 5 different compartments right here where you can actually store your cables easily. I mean, honestly, man, you can fit so much into this bag. I found this on Amazon. There's plenty of different styles and compartments that they make. This brand, I can't think of the brand name, but it's very generic. Again, the link will be in the description if you guys are interested in checking it out. I highly recommend a electronic charging organizer for your kit. Okay, so for my next item, it's going to be ND filter. What this does is, let's say if you're out in the field on a sunny day and you want to shoot at f4.0, you're not allowed to do that unless you crank up your shutter speed, which results in a weird motion blur. So what you need to do is put your shutter speed at 50 to get constant motion blur, and the only way you can shoot at f4 with good motion blur is if you use the ND filter. These are the K&F ND filters. I highly recommend, $25. The way you figure out which one you need for your lens is right on the front of your lens. It should have a number relating to the size of the thread. These are so useful if you want to get the cinematic look. You can get good motion blur and you can still get a nice shallow depth of field. This one right here has a total of 8 stops of light. It shows it right here. Even like the higher end ones, they all have a color shift when you use the ND filter, and they all will obviously make your image a little less sharp. I've been using this, man, for probably about over a year, and nobody has never noticed anything or said anything to me about it. These are very awesome pieces to add to your kit. I highly recommend. The next item on my list is probably pretty obvious. It's gonna be a Gorillapod. I got this one back in 2016. It's pretty old now, and the legs do kind of pop off. That's one of the downsides to these Joby Gorillapods. I actually just purchased a new one. I have not unboxed it, so I guess now would be a good time to do an unboxing. It always feels really good when you first get it. It's nice and tight. Here's the ball head right here. Pretty dope. It has this quick release. They're really good for vlogging when you want to go ahead and do like a little selfie action. Also great to use as a tripod if you don't have room to carry one. You can wrap it around poles. You can stand it on the car. I've used it that way. The rubberized feet are awesome. Now it is fairly a little big. It's about the size of my forearm. It's very low key compared to a tripod. I feel like when people see others with Joby Gorillapods, they're like, oh look, there's a YouTube vlogger. I feel like that's like a thing. But really dope product, man. Highly recommend Joby Gorillapod inside of your camera kit. This is number 5. This is my last item on my list. Alright, so I decided to come out to the park for my last item. My last item is going to be a Rode VideoMicro. And what I really love about this mic is how small and compact it is. Made of metal, also comes with a dead cat, also comes with a removable 3.5mm headphone jack. I'm about 8 feet away from traffic, so you should be hearing me more than the traffic. This is what the sound sounds like coming straight out of the camera, and this is what the sound sounds like coming from the VideoMicro. This microphone has a cardioid pattern, which basically means it's gonna pick up more of the front, a little bit of the sides, and not as much sound from the back. But the main thing with this microphone is you wanna be as close as possible to get the cleanest audio. I think it's the best budget microphone on the market right now. You can also buy the Takstar SC598, I think that's the number. But I used that microphone for about 2 years, and the only problem I had with it is it takes batteries. This microphone takes 0 batteries, so you don't have to worry about turning it on when it's time to record. And it's been times when I've been vlogging or doing whatever, and I never record audio because I didn't turn the microphone on. So this takes away all of the stress of making sure that you're getting clean audio by allowing the microphone to be on when the camera's on, and when the camera's off, the microphone is off as well. Never have to worry about charging it, powering it up, or anything like that. Number 5 must-have for your camera setup is definitely a Rode VideoMicro. But yeah, guys, that is my 5 top items to have in your kit on a budget. Definitely check them out. I'm gonna leave links in the description for all of the items. That's pretty much it. We'll go ahead and finish this one up right here. I hope that you guys, I almost fell. I hope that you guys enjoyed my video. I had a whole lot of fun making it. Hope that you guys learned something. I hope that I helped you guys out with some better gear for your needs. If you did, drop me a comment. Again, all the links will be in the description of this video, so check it out. But with all that being said, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Deuces.